For my National Geographic Capstone Project, I wanted to set my students loose, to explore the world and to make a difference in any small way that they could. And I wanted them to explore the places that interested them the most, and to study the people that they were most curious about. So I asked them to book a virtual trip around the world. A trip not about all-inclusive resorts and cruise ships, but about responsible travel and sustainable tourism, and helping people wherever they saw an opportunity. And so that's what they did. They collaborated in groups of 3 and 4, and they routed a trip around the globe using National Geographic's interactive mapmaker software. They booked flights, flagged down tuk-tuks, and created narratives of their journey. And while I hoped that this project would inspire a sense of curiosity to want to travel far and wide and explore the world, I hoped more that it would create a sense of empowerment, that they would see themselves as problem solvers and difference makers, and otherwise embrace the attitude, skills, and knowledge embodied in National Geographic's learning framework. And it did. They identified the challenges facing the people and places that they visited, and they applied the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals to envision creative ways to make a positive contribution to the lives of those in other parts of the world.
We visited London, England. We went to Egypt. We went to Dubai.
We went first to Italy, which is an MDC. Then we went to Saudi Arabia, which is in the LDC. And then we went to Brazil, which is in NIC.
In India, we went through the Ravi slums, and we started a GoFundMe account for the groups of people that live there.
I feel Saudi Arabia has a problem with women empowerment and they're felt as lesser beings. And so instead of just going and visiting people, talking to women and making them feel more as a part of society was a better way to contribute.
So my group traveled to NIC, Brazil, and we went to Rio. And yes, we had fun, but we also wanted to focus on their sustainable development goals and what we can do to help them. It really helped us feel empowered, knowing that we're doing something good.
I feel like our group became more curious about how some countries aren't as developed as others. We volunteered at the American School of Antananarivo, Madagascar, and we taught computer science. By teaching them how to use computers, they can better prepare their people to meet their sustainable development goals.